Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else must be like you do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
What's up, guys? So today we're here with Beauty Forever once more. This is the packaging. I got this cute tote bag, and then there is, all the contents of the package on the inside of this. I got the goodie bag with a pair of HD wig caps. I also got a set of press-ons, really cute. And there is a branded elastic band, perfect for melting your lace front or lace closure. I got another pair of HD wig caps, and finally this is today's wig. So the wig that we're working with is actually a 13x4 pre-everything lace frontal ear to ear 3D body wave wig. All right, the knots are pre-bleached, and they say it's invisible knots, and it's also pre-plucked. So as I said, everything. They say this has proven invisible knots, and you're seeing for yourself it is a very nice large lace space. The hair is pretty decent. It gives a very voluminous look. It's tangle free, they say, and you can definitely achieve multiple hairstyles when you decide to go ahead and install this wig. So you guys know the vibes. I was showing you guys the inside of it and just how it looks. They also did apply some tapes and at the ear portion, so that's really easy and convenient, and they did send some extra ones in the packages as well. So the knots are bleached, as I said before, and it has a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps in the back as well, and there are also the loops here for the extra elastic band, which was in the package as well. So that is very great for security, as you guys know, especially when you're going glueless. So we're definitely going to be doing another glueless install today. Absolutely no adhesive, so I'm super excited for that. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I just went ahead and slipped on the wig, and it looks pretty good already, and I was just positioning that to ensure that it fit my hairline properly.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I then went ahead and removed the tape. So once you remove the strip portion, the colored portion, it is completely invisible. So I just press that down, and it's very straightforward, to the point. Like, anyone can do this. You don't have to worry about it flapping, and it's very, very secure actually. So I always love when they include these tapes in the packages for lace front glueless wigs like these. So I'm cutting away any part of the wig, of the lace front, that doesn't have any hair on it, to help to decrease the castiness, after which you guys know I'm gonna go in with some powder to further camouflage the look of things. So I wanted to just show you guys here that the lace looks so much like scalp. That's the reason why they say it's invisible knots, because you can't really tell. You can't see no grids, you can't see nothing. They bleached this to perfection. The knots are really tiny. I really love that. It is really nice and flawless. The hair is also very silky as well. Today I opted for a side part, as I was parting it to let you see how much space you have to work. So if you want to do braids, or if you want to just explore any kind of style, you could go ahead, feel free to do that. You're not limited. All right, so I wanted to switch up the parting, and I did side part. You guys know most of the time that I'm doing a center part, so yeah, I got my wax and my hot comb, and I'm just laying everything so that it's really nice and flat and seamless, and it feels good. It's very easy, it's very straight to the point. I kind of just redefined the curl in the front to just make everything look super fresh, but as for the rest of the wig, it was perfectly curled. It came basically pre-styled, so I didn't have to recurl those areas because this hair held the curls really well, so I was very pleased with that. So this is basically it. This is how the wig is looking. I love it. The movement, beautiful. You see that shine? Super pretty, very natural looking, and I was definitely approving this wig. Minimal shedding as well, so that is impressive, and I was just shaking it to definitely show you that it is 100% secure. So all my beginners, anybody that's ready for the convenience in your life, run out right now, go down to my description box, and that's where the direct link is. Feel like all glueless wigs are so perfect for summertime because you don't have to be worried about, you know, the glue melting or slipping back and it lifting. No, things and times have changed and we're upgraded, honey. Okay, shout out to Beauty Forever for today's gorgeous wig. As I said, every single thing that you need to know, the detail of this wig, the specifications, is listed down below. Go ahead, check that out. If there's any discount code, it will also be down there. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Insert.